Good morning, everyone. It is a great day. It's very cool right now. About 6:15 in the morning. Getting my day started early because I got a long day and it's going to be a challenging day. Got 3 4,000 foot climbs today and I'm walking 22 miles. I've got Bald Knob, which will be first, which is not a bald. And then I've got Coal Mountain, which is a bald. And I'll end the day with my climb up the Priest. And at the end of the 22 miles, I'll be at the Priest shelter. Looking forward to it. Weather's gonna be good again. It's gonna be 74 today. So I'm getting an early start before the heat of the day. Try to get the first two done before it gets too hot this morning. That's Bald Knob and Coal Mountain. And there should be some good views. For those that don't know me, I'm Bricks. Thanks for joining my journey. For those of you who've been following along, welcome back. Let's explore the day. Sorry for the wind, folks. We are almost at the summit of Bald Knob. There's a nice little ledge here. First view of the morning. Good morning, Appalachian Trail. Good morning. This is the summit of Bald Knob, everyone. As you can see, it is definitely no bald. One down, 2 to go. View number 2 of the day, heading up Coal Mountain. This wind feels amazing. Everyone, it has been a while since we've experienced a bald. I'm truly excited. This is the summit of Coal Mountain. I think I know why they refer to them as the Blue Ridge Mountains. That blue haze. Boy, it's a beautiful day. Oh, look at that. It's amazing. So that was the Coal Mountain Bald. It's going to be hard to beat that today. It was really amazing, really spectacular. I certainly hope I don't sound like a broken record out here, referring to how everything is so gosh darn beautiful. But it really is. It really is. You know, I'm about 7 miles into the day. I've got 2 of the 3 4,000 footers finished. The last one will be at the end. That's the Priest. And everything else is going to be ups and downs, some ridge walking. There will be some elevation and things like that, but it's all going to be lower than 4,000. A lot of ridge walking. But you know, it is an amazing day. 74 today will be the high. Right now it feels like it's in the 60s. That wind feels amazing. And we haven't quite reached the heat of the day. I just don't know how this day could get any better. I must say, since coming off of Coal Mountain, the ridge walk has been very pleasant. The walking has been very, easy. There's been some uphills and downhills. None of it is too steep, too difficult. It's just become a nice walk in the woods at this point. The day's, really great. The sun feels amazing. Not too hot today. It's wonderful. We are about almost 16 miles into the day. So got about 6 more to go till we get to the Priest's shelter. Everyone, there is the Priest Mountain. That is our destination today. 5.1 miles of walking left. Let's go get it. One last view of the day. That is Little Priest Mountain. Not Priest Mountain, which we're about to climb up. It's framed nicely with the trees. Last climb of the day. Shelters down this little path. We're gonna pick up the AT right there tomorrow. Looks like there's some tent pads up top close to the trail. Let's see what we have closer to the shelter. We made it to the Priest's shelter. Hi everybody, I am at the Priest's shelter, all settled in for the night. I have my tent set up. I'm not going to stay in the shelter tonight. Quite a few bugs flying around, and it's not just the way I smell. There's a little bit of stagnant water nearby. There's a stream nearby that provides drinking water, and it's a good water source, but it pulls quite a bit downstream and doesn't flow very fast, so it's attracting some bugs, I'm positive. I had intended on reading to you from the Priest Shelter logbook. It is a tradition at the Priest Shelter on the Appalachian Trail that when you arrive at the Priest Shelter, since it is the priest, that you confess your trail sins. And although some of them are funny, most of them are rated R and above in terms of text. So that being said, I'm not going to be reading this, but it is a cute tradition that they have. Boy, some people have done some really despicable things on the trail. But that being said, it was a good day today. 22 miles, had some great views, and I'm looking forward to another day tomorrow. Equally as exciting, although there is a chance of rain tomorrow. I have pretty good confidence that I'm going to get rained on tomorrow while hiking, but that's part of life on the AT. No rain, no pain, no main. We will check in at that time. Until then, thanks for joining me today, everybody. I'm Bricks.